We don't believe in demo accounts. We don't believe in challenges. The Funded Trader program is designed for experienced traders. Traders that already have a proven profitable strategy in the market and that are lacking of funds. If you get accepted into our program, we are going to allocate for you $15,000 of company funds. The deal is actually quite straightforward. Every time you reach the 10% target on the account, we will split profits 50-50 and we will double for you the size of the account, going up to a maximum of $500,000. There is no time frame for you to reach your target, so it is completely up to you, to your performances and to your profitability. Let's do an example. If you reach the 10% within a couple of weeks, for example, you don't have to wait until the end of the month before we pay you and before we double for you the size of the account. Everything will be done on the same day. For this reason, it is completely up to you and your profitability in the market. Now, in the program, there are rules, there are risk parameters to adhere to, and there are also fees involved in the program. So let's go step by step. Regarding the rules, as I mentioned, we mainly focus on the Forex market. For that, all the major and the cross-currency pairs. In case you are a swing trader, you can hold positions overnight, but as a general rule, we ask our traders to clear the exposure for the weekend and during major news events. We refer to the very high impact news, for example, non-farm payrolls, which happens once a month, or changes in interest rates, so the very high impact, high volatility news events in the market. Regarding the risk parameters that we ask our traders to adhere to, on the $15,000 account, so on the initial account that we will allocate for you, we ask you to have a maximum exposure of 0.5, so half a lot. We use the standard lot. For that, 0.5 will be $5 per pip. It is completely up to you how you want to divide it, as long as the sum of all your trades, the sum of all your positions opened at the same time does not exceed the 0.5 on the 15K. Of course, that will double together with the size of your account. So you will be able to open maximum one lot, one standard lot on the $30,000 account, 2 lots on the $60,000, 4 lots on 120K, and so on and so forth. Also, for the drawdown maximum that we give you as limit, there is no time frame. So there is no such thing as maximum daily loss or maximum monthly loss, nothing like that. What we give you is an absolute limit of 10% on the initial account balance. It's not floating, it's not trailing from profits. For that, if you respect the rules and the risk parameters that we give you, it will be quite unlikely for you to get to that stage. Anyway, just in case, just for argument's sake, you will not be liable for losses, first of all, although at that point will be a decision of the management, of the risk management team, if give you a second chance or if cancel the agreement with you and withdraw you from the program. They will basically need to see why you got to that stage in the very first place. As I was mentioning, there are fees involved in the program. If you get accepted, meaning if you are offered an agreement to sign and a real money account of $15,000, there will be a one-off joining fee of £199 and a monthly fee of £99, which will remain the same regardless the size of the account that you manage with us. For that, even when you start managing bigger accounts, like, I don't know, $250,000 or $500,000 with us, the monthly fee will not increase, will still be £99. Most of the times during the interviews, when people reach out to us, they ask, why do you guys charge a fee for the service? Well, the reason behind that is actually quite simple. As much as we are happy to share with our traders the market risk, we would like our traders to share with us some of the trading related costs. We offer you a live account from day one if you get accepted into the program. We don't believe in demo accounts. We don't believe in challenges. For this reason, from day one, you can start working, you can start trading towards the achievement of the 10% target. On top of that, we work in partnership with different liquidity providers and banks that allow us to offer our traders a very deep institutional liquidity in the market. For this reason, with us, there are no commissions, no swaps, and spreads are really, really tight. And this is the reason behind the cost associated with the trading with us as a company. For that, if you are an experienced trader, if you think you have a proven, a profitable strategy in the market, regardless of the asset class, and if you're willing to trade with us the Forex market, then we definitely would love to hear more about you.